Before we begin exploring the fascinating world of blockchain, it's important to note that this video is strictly for informational and educational purposes only. It is not intended as advice for investments or financial decisions of any kind. Imagine a digital ledger, a comprehensive record-keeping system that no one can tamper with or alter once information is added. That's the revolutionary essence of blockchain technology. It's a groundbreaking innovation that's profoundly changing how we conceptualize data management, security, and trust in our modern digital landscape. At its fundamental core, a blockchain represents a distributed and immutable ledger designed to record transactions across a widespread network of numerous computers globally. This structure ensures that the data remains consistent and tamper-proof for all participants involved. Each block within the blockchain chain encapsulates a bundle of crucial data, typically comprising a detailed list of verified transactions, accompanied by an accurate timestamp for recording the exact moment of creation, and a cryptographic hash specifically referencing the previous block to maintain seamless connectivity. This cryptographic hash serves as a unique digital fingerprint exclusively for each block, meticulously ensuring the complete integrity of its contents and making any attempt at alteration strikingly evident to the entire network. Whenever a new block is forged and added, it incorporates the precise hash value from the immediately preceding block, thereby forging a highly secure and virtually unbreakable chain of records that links every element together indissolubly. It is precisely this ingenious linking mechanism that renders blockchain exceptionally secure. Any effort to alter even a single block would inevitably modify its hash value, which would disrupt the entire chain and instantly alert all nodes in the network to the discrepancy. A defining characteristic of blockchain is its fully decentralized nature, meaning there exists no single central authority or controlling entity that oversees or dominates the entire network operations. Rather, thousands of individual computers, known as nodes, distributed across the world, each independently maintain an identical copy of the complete ledger, ensuring redundancy and resilience against failures. Upon the occurrence of a new transaction, it is immediately broadcasted widely to all participating nodes throughout the network, allowing each one to meticulously verify its authenticity and legitimacy. Prior to any new block being appended to the chain, the overwhelming majority of the network's nodes must reach a collective agreement on its validity via a robust consensus mechanism that prevents fraudulent additions. Among the most prevalent consensus mechanisms are proof of work, in which powerful computers compete to solve intricate mathematical puzzles to validate blocks, and proof of stake, where validators are selected proportionally based on the amount of cryptocurrency they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. This essential consensus process guarantees that every copy of the ledger distributed across the decentralized network stays perfectly synchronized, consistent, and accurate at all times, fostering unwavering reliability. Blockchain delivers unparalleled levels of security through its sophisticated cryptographic linking of blocks combined with its decentralized architecture, rendering it extraordinarily challenging for hackers or malicious actors to compromise or manipulate the system effectively. The inherent transparency of blockchain allows every transaction to be publicly visible and verifiable by anyone on the network, while still safeguarding personal identities through pseudonymity, where users are represented by anonymous addresses rather than real-world identifiers. Smart contracts represent a powerful innovation on blockchain. These are self-executing agreements with predefined terms directly encoded into the blockchain, which automatically enforce and execute the conditions without the need for any trusted intermediaries or third parties. Extending far beyond just cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology is revolutionizing diverse sectors such as supply chain management for tracking goods transparently, healthcare for securing patient records, voting systems for fraud-proof elections, and many more, delivering enhanced trust, efficiency, and accountability across industries. In summary, blockchain constitutes a secure, transparent, and decentralized digital ledger system poised to fundamentally reshape numerous industries by providing a reliable foundation for digital interactions and transactions. Its meticulously designed, innovative structure rigorously upholds data integrity throughout and cultivates enduring trust within our evolving digital world, empowering users with confidence in technology-driven processes. To reiterate, this video is for informational purposes only and is not for investment purposes. We encourage you to explore the immense potential of blockchain technology responsibly and stay curious about its ongoing developments.
If you want more crypto updates, market analysis, and breaking news, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.